Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight, just a simple, quick demonstration. I've had several customers ask me, they get the can opener, the Pampered Chef can opener, and they're like, oh, I'm not really sure how to use it. It is a little different than a regular can opener. So I want to show you how to use that this evening so you don't have any problems when you order it. Okay, all I'm going to do is take the can opener. Now, for those of you that haven't used the can opener, it's not going to cut on the inside like a traditional can opener. It's going to take the whole lip off, okay, and give you a nice smooth edge. Okay, the can opener is going to go straight up to the can. Okay, it's going to go about halfway. You can see it's hooked. You can feel it, and you can see that it's about halfway there. We're going to turn it clockwise. Okay, and you can see the can rotating. Keep turning clockwise. Okay, and I could feel it got to the end, so I'm going to go a couple more turns here. But the can is not going to come off until I do one thing, and that is turn counterclockwise. Boop, and it pops right off. Okay, and then you'll notice there are a couple claws here on this side of the can opener and a button. Okay, the button closes the claws. I'm going to put the claws right on the can. Okay, and I'm going to push the button and close it, and then I'm going to lift the lid. And the lid comes right off, the whole lid. No sharp edges. Okay, the lid pops completely off. And that's how you use the Pampered Chef can opener. Thanks for joining us this evening. Be sure and like the video and share it and subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of videos to come, a lot that we've already done and a lot that are to come, but trying to grow our YouTube channel. So if you could help us out, that would be great. Thank you, and we'll see you next time with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.